Welcome to the beautiful home cooking and baking show. Today we are cooking chicken masala. It is so yummy, you guys, and as you can see, I have already gotten started. My name is Beautiful, and I'm so excited to be with you guys today. So I have actually just taken chicken breast. I've seasoned it really well. If you'd like to see how I season this chicken, you can refer to my previous video. But I've literally just added tomato and some herbs and some very good seasoning to the chicken. And so I am going to show you guys how it should look. This is how it should look once you flip your chicken in the pot. It should be really, really well seasoned. Very little liquid inside of the pot because you are going to add sauce as we continue. So just let it cook on both sides evenly. And then you'll see here that I have already added some more pieces of chicken, and you just really allow them all to simmer together. And I've even gone so far as to add a bay leaf into the mix. So I have very beautiful pieces of chicken, guys. You can see how beautifully seasoned it is. It smells so aromatic. I can't begin to explain how wonderful it smells, and it's going to taste even better. So just allow this to simmer, and then this is your result. You will see those pieces of chicken just really well cooked, but you're not done yet. There's still more to do. I just want you guys to see the pieces of the vegetables and the herbs just kind of cooked into that meat. So now you're going to add the sauce. And this is literally just a tomato-based sauce. And you add it in and you allow your chicken pieces to simmer in that sauce. And I attempt to allow the sauce to simmer for quite a while, and probably like 15 minutes. And then here you are. A beautiful spread, a beautiful meal, wonderfully seasoned, tasteful over a bed of rice, and your family will absolutely love it. I know I can't speak for anyone else, but I know in my household there was a lot of raving about this meal. So if you want your man to be happy, you want your belly to be happy, you want the kids to be happy, introduce them to this healthy meal with a side of green vegetables and even a vegetable mix. What I have here, you guys can view and see on other videos how I created this meal. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!